Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is my first ever YouTube video and I hope you guys like it, and if you do then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you. So let's start. So I'm just tying my hair here. So I'm gonna use my Color Bar primer to prime my face and then go in with my Nykaa Skin Genius foundation stick. Details will be listed in the description below. And then I'm gonna use my Fit Me concealer to conceal and to brighten my under eyes. And as this is a very everyday sort of a makeup look, I'm not going to go with too much of coverage and all, and keep it very natural. And then I'm gonna use my LA Girl powder to set my face. This powder really sets your makeup amazingly, and it is very mattifying. And also I'm oily skin type, so I like to use matte products. Now I'm going in with my bronzer, and for my bronzer I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Nykaabeauty Chika eyebrow pencil, and I have been using this pencil for like years and years now, and this is the only eyebrow pencil I own. So I'm just outlining my eyebrows and fill it in, and for that I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. For my waterline, I'm going to use Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. I'm going to use Nykaa ink to create the wink liner. For blush, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Deep Wine and apply that onto the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette and applying it to the highest part of my cheekbone. Using the golden shade from the same palette, I'm applying it in the inner corners of my eyes. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is my favorite mascara in the drugstore range. As you can see, it just uplifts my lashes. For lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Nefertiti. For setting spray, I'm using the NYX setting spray in matte finish. I'm just dabbing my beauty blender very lightly and picking up the excess. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video and to share this video. Bye.